Hello, good morning, students. I am R. N. Jha from Mahatma Gandhi Shikshan Sansthan Darbhanga. Today, I am going to teach you physics of class 9. It is the first chapter, that is motion. The topic for today is uniform velocity. Dear students, as you know, velocity depends on its rapidity and direction. Therefore, practically, it is very difficult to find uniform velocity. But to understand it, it is essential to we should learn about it. What is uniform velocity? How may we define it? What is its definition? The definition is if any object travels equal displacements in equal intervals of time, even the time interval is very small, then it is said that the object is moving with uniform velocity. That is the definition of uniform velocity. Dear students, in this definition, it is very clear equal displacement traveled by the object in equal intervals of time. Time interval is same and the displacements traveled by object is same. Displacement, that is distance with direction. Distance with direction, since it includes direction. Therefore, velocity, it does not depend only on rapidity, but it also depends on direction. If a little bit direction is changed, means the velocity is changed, though the rapidity is same, then it is not uniform velocity. This definition deals that if any object is moving with uniform velocity, then in every movement its rapidity and direction remains the same. Rapidity and direction, both are same. Whatever is the rapidity of object, that will remain the same, and whatever the direction of the object, that also remains the same. Then it is uniform velocity. By an example, we may understand it clearly. Suppose there is an object and this object covers 5-meter displacement in first minute. In first minute, the displacement traveled by the object is 5 meters. Since it is displacement 5 meter, that is the distance, and since the word displacement is used, means it has direction also. Next 5-meter displacement in the same direction and on the same line in the second minute. 5-meter displacement in the same direction. Since here the word used displacement, already it is clear that it has direction. But suppose in first minute, whatever the direction, and in second minute that direction is not in the same way, not in the same direction, a little bit changed. Therefore, it is very clearly written here in the same direction and on the same line in the second minute. And again, next 5-meter displacement in the same direction. Just we discussed about it. 5 meter displacement in the same direction and on the same line in third minute. Now you know the velocity that is equal to displacement traveled by time taken. In the first minute, displacement traveled is 5 meter. Divide it by 1 minute. 5 meter divided by 1 minute, that is equal to 5 meter per minute. In the next, again the object travels 5 meter displacement. Find velocity. 5 meter displacement, that is divided by again 1 minute, that is equal to 5 meter per minute in the same direction, whatever the direction is in first minute. Now in third minute, again the object travels 5 meter displacement. Divide this 5 meter displacement by again 1 minute, that is equal to again 5 meter per minute in the same direction, whatever the direction of the object is in first minute and second minute. In every condition, the velocity of the object remains same 5 meter per minute, and their direction, the direction of the object in every minute is same. Since direction same and the rapidity of object that is also same, therefore it is the uniform velocity of the object. Means we may say that the object is moving with uniform velocity. Dear students, that is the theoretical theme. Generally in our daily lives, it is very difficult to find uniform velocity because everywhere, suppose rapidity same but the direction is a little bit changed, then the velocity changed. Therefore, it is very difficult to find uniform velocity. But theoretically, we may explain in this way. Again, whatever there is any problem, when we will learn about non-uniform velocity, it will be cleared that uniform velocity, it is very, very difficult to find. Till then, just understand it, keep it in mind. We will meet in the next video. Till then, thank you very much.